Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an advent calendar unboxing. I have never done one of these before and I'm so excited. So Just My Look actually sent me this advent calendar. The Essence DIY advent calendar. So I've never actually had a beauty advent calendar before. I've had a bath bomb one and I've got a perfume one this year. I was going to do an unboxing of that one, but it's a bit pointless because it's perfume. So it's a little bit difficult to unbox when you can't actually smell it. And if I'm spraying 24 different smells, it might get a bit mental in here. So I decided to do an unboxing of this one, which I'm so excited. I can't imagine how it's going to look inside. So if you want to see an unboxing of this advent calendar, if you're thinking about buying it or you're just lazy and want to have a look, because I love watching these videos myself, then carry on watching and enjoy the video. So it comes like this. So I've got some numbered stickers here which are cute. Oh, you're actually meant to make it yourself. Right. Well, this is cool because actually I could do it reverse, so I can make it for myself to unbox in December. Yeah, alright, let's do that. Let's make it together. So I'm not sure what the hell I'm meant to be doing. Oh, so these are little bags here, I believe. And I guess there's going to be 24 of these bags. And you put each product in these bags and then I can unbox them on Christmas. Cute. Let's make them together then. So here's bag one. So let's open it up. These are so cute. And I've got the box of products, so I'm going to show you one by one. So let's get these bags open. This is going to be a nightmare. So here's the first bag. These are so cute as well, actually. So the first product we've got is this one, the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter. So this is, I assume, a highlighter, and it's called in the shade 40 Be My Sunlight. I've actually never tried this before, but it actually looks really nice. So that's going to be in this one. So now we've got glow in the dark top coat. Wow! Moonlight glow. So this is nail varnish, but it's glow in the dark. Oh, that's really cool, actually. So there's just going to be a bunch of these bags, basically. So next, in number 3, is going to be the Super Last Eyeliner in matte black. I love an eyeliner. So in bag number 4, it's going to be the Instant Volume Boost Mascara. Ready in 10 seconds, smudge proof and intense black. If you've tried any of these products, please let me know in the comments down below because I've never tried this before. My Beauty Lip Ritual Step 1 Peeling with Shea Butter. Oh, I've never heard of that before. That's pretty cool. So this is going to be in bag number 5. So the next one is going to be this Prime Plus Studio HD Hydra Primer Spray with coconut water. I do own one of their setting sprays actually. This is the Glow to Go and I actually really like this. So in the next bag is this Sapphire File. I actually really need a nail file, so I'm pretty happy about this. The next product is going to be a eyeshadow brush. This is the Short Blender brush. This is cute. I like it. I like the white with the rose gold packaging as well. It's really pretty. And I like brushes that have white bristles. I don't know why. I just think they look so much better. And when you've cleaned them, they just look cleaner. And also, if you didn't notice that we've had a bag change. So there were the Merry Christmas red ones. And now we've moved on to these Merry Christmas green ones, which I think are really pretty. So the next thing that we're going to put in is the Matte Long Lasting Lip Gloss. I like the colour, very like nudie. So the next one, let's pick up this one. Oh, this is pretty. Crystal Wet Look Lip Gloss. This is so pretty. It's like white with lots of like shimmer in it. It's so pretty. The next bag is going to have this in it, which is Glitter On Peel Off. Oh, glitter on, glitter off, peel off. Oh, it does say peel off. Nail polish. How would that work then if it peels off? And this is Put a Ring on It 01. So, put a ring on it. Hint, hint. So this next one is this Glitter On, Glitter Off, Peel Off Nail Varnish. And this is the same, but it's like a pinky purple shade. And I'm excited to try them as well, especially with that glow in the dark top coat. Oh. So we've got this matte blush in 10 Peach Me Up. So I'm just so impressed with how much is actually coming in this box. It's really cute. It's got like little stars on it, and we've got a bag change. Now we've got the candy cane kind of bags. So let's pop that one in there. In the next bag, what's this? I think this is a lipstick. This is a red lipstick in red. Love it. It doesn't, oh, it's called Colour Up Shine On 08. This looks really, really pretty, and I love the packaging. It's so like unique and different. Then next we've got this Essence Plumping Nudes lip gloss. I love a plumping lip gloss, and I really, really like this shade. I think it's really nice, and I love the white and rose gold packaging again. So in the next bag, what's this? Lash On Lash Off Volumizing Magnetic Accent Lashes. I've actually never tried magnetic lashes before, so I'm really excited to try these. And they've come in like little strips. So this one is, oh, okay, so this is step 3. My Beauty Lip Ritual step 3, primer with shea butter, SPF 15. So I assume we've got a step 2 in there because we've received step 1 and 3. So that's good. I love a bit of lip ritual, you know, helping your lips out. Let's see what this actually looks like. Oh, so it's like kind of like a lip balm, I guess. The next thing we've got is, oh, these are cool, nail stickers. So look, they've got like different bits to put on your nails. I really like that. It's called Bracelet. I'm not sure why, but they look really pretty, and they're like, basically the theme is black and gold. Here we go. My Beauty Lip Ritual Step 2 Mask. I've never used a lip mask. How cool. I'm going to have to do like a 3-step lip ritual, I think, and maybe do a YouTube video on it, like the step 1 to 3, and see. So the next one is, what's this? Style Your Wing Cutout Eyeliner Tool. Oh wow, so they've got different cutouts for different eyeliner looks. I'm not sure how well that's going to work, but I'm excited to try it, and I'm going to have to try it. Again, could be a YouTube video. We're getting a lot of videos out of these. We've got Time to Wake Up Faced Sheet Mask. I'll be ready in 15. Hydration Boost. This says Tiredness Fast Food Party. This is cute. I love a face mask. I'm sure you'll know I've done a whole video just on my face mask collection because I love them. So I'm excited for this, and the day that I open this is going to be the day that I wear it, I think. And I might do a daily unboxing on my story because I think that might be fun on Instagram. So if you haven't already, follow my Instagram. It's down below in the description. I think it'll be fun to do like a daily unboxing on my story, and you guys can unbox them with me and see what I receive for each day. Next one is Rose Wood Sticks. Oh, so these are like for your nails, I guess. There's a lot of nail care as well as makeup, which I really like because I didn't actually know they did make nail stuff. So they've really shown that off as well, and I'm glad because this could motivate me not to bite my nails anymore because it's a horrid habit. So this one is Draw the Line Instant Colour Lip Liner with Sharpener. Whoa, look at that. Huh. Never seen that before. No, you just pull the back off and it's a mini sharpener. Bloody hell, check you out. I've left the biggest till last. I haven't had a look at it yet, but I will now. Is this palette, eyeshadow palette, Follow Your, and then it's got heart side, so I guess it's heart. Oh, it's fastened. Should I open it? I'm gonna have to, aren't I? You gotta see what it is. Oh, bloody hell. The thing come out of it. This is cute. Look at the shades. It's got a mirror on the top, and it's got all these pretty like peachy nude shades. I haven't actually got a palette like this, I don't think, with like the peachy kind of purpley tones. I really like it. I'm pretty impressed, to be honest, and the packaging is so cute. So now we need to number them. So we've got our cute little numbers here. I'm loving these as well. They're like gold and pink and white. So number 1, I'm going to do them all in different bag order as well so that they are completely random. So number 1 is going to be this one. I'm just going to close them up like this. I think that's probably the best way. I'm going to number the rest of these now, and then I'll be back to do my little outro and say goodbye to you guys. So I'm back. I've put a numbered sticker on each one, and I've jammed them all in this box that they come in. So I'm going to keep this probably downstairs, maybe under the tree or something, then I can open it every day. before Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different. I've got my Christmas jammies on, we've got the Christmas background, and I'm just feeling very festive. I don't know if you know, but I absolutely love Christmas. It's my favourite time of year. I bloody love it. I get so excited. As you can see, I've got all my decor already up and I'm loving it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. By the way, these earrings, candy canes, I don't know if you can see them, but they are from my own brand, which if you haven't seen already, I make them all out of clay and I sell them on Etsy. I will have it linked down below if you want to check out my Etsy or anything else, or my social media for my brand, which is called Charrings. But these are part of the Christmas collection. These are the candy canes. These are like the best sellers. Everybody's bought them. But yeah, it's doing really well. And if you want to know more about my business, I've got a video dedicated to that on my Tuesday series, Chats with Char. It's the latest video that I actually uploaded, so definitely go check that out if you want to know more about my business, what I sell, and yeah, more about my thoughts on it. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you want to see more like this, please let me know. If you want to see any more Christmas content, Christmas makeup looks, whatever you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. Please give this video a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!